Tonight, come with me to the Brazilian restaurant over in Everett on Broadway. I think at the center or something. Um, it's in the corner of Broadway and Norwood Street. Yep, right behind the post office. Um, yeah, your Brazilian food is freaking awesome, bro. That shit. I mean, that food is good. I um I was out all day today, so I didn't have time to cook me anything. So I was like, I'm gonna stop at the Brazilian restaurant. So it's like a buffet style type of style they have over there. And I got some white rice and beans and salad and stuff and steak. I got my steak like medium well, cause I mean I like it medium well, so that's why I got it like that. And yeah. And as you can see, I have him train all the fat off because I'm not eating the fat, and they with the food. You know what I mean? So why pay for something that I'm not gonna be able to eat? You know what I mean? So
time to cook. I've been out all day.
let me see.
I went to the Brazilian restaurant to get me some food. I got some rice, white rice, some beans. Good stuff, bro. And I got my steak medium well. I don't want it too pink. And I don't want it too dry. So medium well is good for me. This is so good, yo. This Brazilian restaurant is right on Everett on Broadway. Freaking so good. If you never have Brazilian food before, what are you waiting for? I'm starving.